The Guyana Teachers Union took the Teaching Services Commission to court last year, demanding a review of the teachers' promotion list for the year 2015. The GTU had accused the TSC of cronyism and failing to work in the interest of the nation's teachers. The GTU emerged victorious in the court battle, and the Teaching Services Commission was ordered by the court to address the concerns of the GTU. But a month has elapsed and the Commission is yet to adhere to the court's ruling.
We have written the Teaching Service Commission. I would hope that by now they would have received that document, asking them how early the review process is going to start, because we're into another calendar year. Teachers would have been starved of a promotion for almost 2 years.
General Secretary of the Guyana Teachers Union, Ms. Carter MacDonald. The GTU said it had hoped that the TSC would have acted promptly to start the healing process, which has to be done collaboratively between the two parties. The GTU said too that it has since informed President Granger by way of letter about the slothful approach by the TSC.
I'm not sure what has happened with regards to the flow of communication, because we've not gotten any bit of communication coming from the Ministry of the Presidency. But I would think that members of the Teaching Service Commission would have been called by the Ministry of the Presidency, and they were advised to follow the ruling of the court.
The GTU said it will not sit idly by and watch the TSC flout the court order or continue to disrespect the teachers.
There is a stipulated time in which the Teaching Service Commission is expected to complete their review. If that is not done, then the next move for the GTU is to file for contempt of court. We did not want this whole issue of the court matter is one of the last resort that GTU would have had. Since we had no other option, we ventured to the courts. That is now passed, and we are hoping that, or we would have hoped that the Teaching Service Commission learned a lesson and they would have been following through. But it seems as if the Teaching Service Commission is above the law.
The failure by the TSC to quickly address the disputed 2015 promotion list has stalled teachers' promotions in 2016, and a further delay may stall next year's promotion. The Commission's secretary told Nightly News on Wednesday that the TSC has broken off work until mid-January. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.